Somebody here, I am seeing everybody laughing in your family. I am seeing celebration that will make everybody to return back in your family and laugh together. Somebody here, money that will be celebrated must come to your family. Favor that will be celebrated must come to your family. Blessings agafu emewe meme gabiana family. Alamasi nwachukwu neba okwaho itaho elinala nagaye we celebration of joy in your family. I announce to you nita etiwala asimita etiwala asimita etiwala. From now that door emechi nagaye we memongo na family ke Chineke hopunoza Chineke akuwaloza Chineke akuwaloza Shekiaka Suzetiwala again louder
Join us every Wednesday from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. for our Wednesday adoration at Idewok Adoration Ground, Umuoma Onitsha, Ezinihite, Imo State, Nigeria. Also join our Father, Reverend Father Magnus Eberi SDV, live on Facebook and YouTube every day by 5 a.m. for our prophetic hour of prayers. For if there is a man to pray, there is definitely a God to answer. Don't be left out.